Well, I started my company because I really thought that there had to be a better way to design really good homebrewing equipment. I started this company myself in my basement, and my relationship with Marketing 360 started with, actually, the truth is they followed me around the internet once I clicked once, and I thought if they knew how to get to me, that they'd help me reach an audience that I wasn't able to reach on my own. So we ran this Kickstarter campaign, and it started with acquisition of email addresses, and I needed to have an interest list, people that I could reach out to let them know, hey, this is happening now, this is happening tomorrow, this is happening next week. Without a strong list, it wasn't going to be successful. Having that list of customers, that potential customer list, we ran videos letting them know that we were going to be doing a Kickstarter campaign, that we had a brand new product that was coming out, and trying to build some awareness and a buzz around what I was doing. That ran for a number of months, and when we felt like we had the numbers needed in order to launch that campaign, we shot a video. It was really big for us, and they crafted it into this tight, 30, 45 second package. It was pretty awesome. Really trying to illustrate what it was that I was going to be bringing out into the market, and that was communicated, I think, incredibly well, through the story that was being told in the video. We ran a fairly short campaign. I believe it was only 2 weeks, and we smashed it. It was over 1,000% success on the first day.